Wow. Come close. See, I was talking to you about the NZEMA Land. They have everything. All this thing here. Show. Here. Whoa. Wow. My goodness. Wow. This is coming from here. Live fish. Live. They are all alive. You see? I was telling you the NZEMA Land is blessed. Look at the man. Look at where he is. He's just here. Hey. He's just here. No. He's just here. You see? He's just here. He doesn't have a boat. He doesn't have a canoe. He's doing this manually. Look at all the fish he caught. Bring the camera close. Come down. Come here. Follow. Come here. Wow. Fish. This is fish, and this is what? Octopus. Wow. Guys, I have never seen a live fish like this from the sea. This is fresh. He just brought them out. You see? If the people of NZEMA will get the right tools, they will get the right equipment, NZEMA is heaven. I'm telling you, I have been here for some days, and NZEMA Land is blessed with everything. They have cocoa, they have rich land, they have the ocean, they have cassava, they have manganese, they have gold, they have beautiful rivers here. This is the sea. They have everything that any man will need. I don't know what else to say, but this is beautiful from NZEMA. See you when I see you from the beautiful ocean of NZEMA Land. These fish are fresh. We have the fish, not that crowd. Yeah. Everything is here. The things that are here, people don't know. Serious. People don't know. That is like my heart is broken that I want to come in this video. Go there. You see, everything that the NZEMA Land need is here. The man is just catching all these fish you saw right from here. This is amazing.
He's not even using a boat.
Yes. He's not
just right here. And look at the fish, the first one.
This fish. Wow.
Everybody needs to explore.
Yeah.
When you want to invest, think of NZEMA Land. We've got everything here. Just that people don't know. All they hear about that is witchcraft. It's not. All those things, I don't know, maybe they say to scare people.
Yeah.
But to me, honestly, I'm from NZEMA Land. I was born and raised here. And sometimes when I tell people I'm in NZEMA, they're like, oh, really? I say, yeah, I'm from NZEMA, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud to be an NZEMA because even Ghana, when we are talking about Ghana resources, we produce the majority of the resources. So Ghana cannot be, excuse me, and not in a wrong way, but Ghana cannot be a Ghana without NZEMA resources. That's all I can say.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Fish when you now watch you, better on the same. What kind is it?
The kind of fast.
Five cities.
Yeah, that's a fast city.
To me and say, I am here.
Fast city.
3 fish I can see with. Yes, 5 city. Hey,
yeah, bro.
Fish, you mean you mean these 3 fish here for 5 cities?
5 cities.
Wow.
Hey, bro. I'm going on money. On boy one year.
It's a one person turn saying.
On percent. You own me saying. Yeah, 25 more.
Listen,
3
of these fish you just saw in the video is going for 5 Ghana cedis. And they are selling one of these fish as far as 20 cedis. And the fisherman who goes into this ocean, gets nothing. And he's selling 3 of that for 5 Ghana cedis. And even that, they still want reduction. Oh.
Yeah, bro.
Tiadian and man still a Juma will do so here.
Oh, sir. 1 year, so windy. It's made you, mammy. My bear fee. Oh, I feel bear 9.
4 years. But before we shall say China, we've been a chill, we are now Namchi.
And I'm no. We know as a monsieur or monkey. Monkey penny on the walk baby.
Oh, not chill.
Oh, not chill.
To know what you are putting.
No, chipun.
Or do rap or chill one. I
said, we many way are busy. It's a bit to know. Good to know. Sound of Miss Medunia. It's a magazine in net to the year. Be in Bibia.
Guys, I just can't get enough of NZEMA. People are working so hard here, but they get little. We need investors to come on this land. Get some boats for them, get some canoe for them, so that they can do real fishing. Because I've noticed that there are a lot of fishes just close. They don't even go far. They just stand along this side and they get a lot of fish. If you can come on board, God is going to bless all of us. Thank you.